Welcome to the J&J Auto Wrecking test video for LKCA426. It's a very nice Cadillac Allante. What year is this bad boy, Andy?
1989.
89. That's what I was going to guess. 89 or 90 based off the interior. Very nice car though. Somebody put some terrible aftermarket wheels on it.
Will be for sale as a set.
Yeah, will be for sale though if you like that kind of thing. Obviously took a massive hit to the front. The motor is cocked in here. I do believe it still runs though, just smashed. Look at that. Body by Pininfarina. Pininfarinio? Body by Spaghetti. Lot of good parts on this car. We are going to be shelling out these doors. We will have all these moldings for sale. I think this is molding. Nope, that's not molding. Probably should look. Taillights are in some of the best condition though of any Allante we've ever had. Both the emblems are still there. Very, very minor checking in them, but extremely nice. Just looking on this side. I don't see any very minor weathering right there. Very, very minor. If you guys have an Allante, you know how bad these taillights can get though. I do believe this car has a very nice center stack as well. I think the tape player was in off, but everything else. Yep, look at that. Oh man, everything works. Obviously don't want to play copyrighted music. Oh, our right low beam is out. Let's see if we can fire this thing up. Something's going on there, probably a pinch throttle cable. We're not going to run that long, but you guys heard she fired right up. Cluster is in good working condition. All these light switches work well. They're all are in very good shape. Show off this side here. Window regulators and window switches. Worth a small fortune on these cars. Let's see how this one works.
It will back down.
It what?
It will idle back down.
Oh, yeah, I'm not risking it. Window switches are working well. Let's test out the passenger side while we're at it. Ooh, do we have it locked? Not sure. So, as you saw, passenger window switch is no good. That's why we test these things. Car's starting to get a little bit of an electrical smell. I'm guessing there's a pinched wire or something. Let's go take the box off it really fast. They warned me about this and now I can smell it. The convertible top did work. We tested all that off camera. It is mechanical, so no real need. Yeah, something smells toasty up here. I was not happy at all. Wow. Oh well, what's another fire? Door mirrors are in great condition. Just trying to hit all the Allante parts that are known to go bad on these. Obviously, power antenna is broken off. Let's check out this driver's side door mirror. Good shape as well. That is going to wrap it up for LKCA426, our 89 Cadillac Allante. We've got a bunch of these in the yard, so if you guys are looking for Allante parts, we're going to be your stop. You can find us online, www.jnjautorwrecking.com. You guys can give us a call at 800-425-1555. If you guys are looking for Allante parts, like I said, guys, we are the go-to. Stop on out and check us out. I'm John at J&J Auto Wrecking. Thanks for watching.